Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I start my journey with YouTube preparing my favorite dish called Sheera. It's made up of semolina or rava. Very tasty to cook and very easy. So let's get started. For this dish we need dry fruits of your choice. Almonds, walnuts, raisins go best. You can also add cashew nuts or pistachio. 1.5 cup of semolina, 2 tablespoons of clarified butter, 1 cup of jaggery, 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Turn the gas on low to medium heat. Add the clarified butter in a pot. Let it melt for 2 to 3 minutes. Add more butter if you wish to. Add the semolina and roast till you get a rich aroma. In another pot, make the sweet syrup with jaggery and water. Cook this syrup for 5 to 7 minutes. You can make this syrup simultaneously or before roasting the semolina. Keep stirring the ghee and the semolina mixture so that the lumps are not formed until the semolina turns golden brown. Add the cardamom powder at this stage and the dry fruits. Cardamom powder gives a good fragrance for this dish. Keep stirring for another 3 to 4 minutes. Add the jaggery syrup slowly and keep stirring continuously till the syrup gets absorbed in the mixture. You need to get a good thick consistency. Cover and cook on low flame for another 2 to 3 minutes and your dish is done. This is a very healthy snack for kids and adults. It is also a perfect breakfast dish. When done, garnish with dry fruits and serve hot. If you have enjoyed watching this video, click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Till next, ciao and take care.